believe that it's still not tart, but it's so good. Yeah, fly, fly, fly. Hi all. Good morning. I'm just waiting for my riding partner, and my bike is ready. Oh, he's here. Here. Good morning. Hi. Morning. He's honest. W125.
Hey,
One.
good man. How you doing?
Good. Okay, guys, here we go. Hey, let's move. Hi guys, so we had our coffee and banh mi, and now we are getting some nước suối water, and I think we're gonna get on our trail section from here on, slowly starting. So yeah, now we are heading to Bảo Lộc, and on the way we might stop for some lunch somewhere in some small town, but yeah, that's the plan. Let's go. Okay, you're back on, mate. All right. Okay, we need to turn left somewhere here. I'll go. Okay, comes the bridge. Okay, from now on there are slabs, so I think we should go slow. Holy shit, there is a passing wooden bridge. I will go a little bit faster. Hope it doesn't break. Oh shit. Okay. Downhill, downhill. Yeah, it's not so crazy like the enduro. I like these kind of trails. It's much nicer. You can have fun. You enjoy the ride, and also you travel. Wow! Woo! Oh yeah! My ABS and traction control. I think I need to turn it off. Give me 2 minutes. If that's okay. I think I'll leave the front as it is. Let me change it in the back.
You need to lower it more.
I think so.
Right.
Around 25. So, to the viewers, I'm going through a herd of cows. Hello, guys. Just turned off ABS and traction control, and we are off. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. Now we are talking. Yeah. Tractor coming, tractor. Back to road. Okay, downhill, downhill. Oh, I'm flying, dude. Ah, jump, 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 yeah. I need a jump. What? Oh, my. Oh, oh shit! Going through some humps in 50s and 60s is so on a big bike is crazy. Woohoo! Oh, it's not done yet. Okay, rocks. We are coming to rocks. Ah, shit. So beautiful. This is so good, right? Oh, I can't believe that it's still not tarred, but it's so good. Ah, I got some mud. It's okay. There are some ducks, dude. Don't fly them away. Duck with ducklings. Be careful here. Easy to fall. Get away, chickens. Yeah, fly, fly, fly. Chickens can fly. Oh yeah, now we are right. On the right path. Oh, single track. Ducks, 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 ducks. Me, right? You can see me? When I stand up, I'm not able to get the back brake. It's so small and so far away inside. I think I need to get the extender and put it in there. Yeah, the brake lever. Oh, I remember this run. I also got stuck here somewhere. Oh yeah. A big mud pit is coming. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, what was that? Woo! I'm going all in, dude. Nearly hitting 70k on trails. Oh yeah. Oh yes, that was so good. That was my first time hitting 70 on trail. So guys, took some photos of mine, And I took some photos of Tuk as well. And we had some water. And now we are about to head out. Not head out, head that way. More trails ahead.